start. Fill in the blanks. There are 4-5 sub questions to this. We'll solve them. If x equals to a cos cube theta plus and y equals to b sin cube theta, then x upon a raised to 2 by 3 plus y upon b raised to 2 by 3 equals to, here it's quite simple. First what you do is x and a, bring them together, because move towards our goal, towards our target. So x upon a equals to cos cube theta, y upon b equals to sin cube theta, right, from the given question. So what we want, x square. So x upon a the whole raised to, okay, let's do it 1 by 3 because that is also required. X upon a raised to 1 by 3 equals to cos theta, right, cube root on both the sides. Y upon b raised to 1 by 3 equals to sin theta. Okay. Now square them. X upon a raised to 2 by 3 equals to cos square theta. Y upon b raised to 2 by 3 equals to sin square theta. Now add them as given in the question. So what we get, cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is equals to 1. So that's the answer.